Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy laptop bag that's as stylish as a cardboard box? Well, I've got some great news for you. The LOVEVOOK rolling laptop bag for women is here to change the game. This amazing bag is not only a bestseller, but it's also top-rated and has a high capacity, making it perfect for women on the go. I've got to say, I was a bit skeptical at first, but after using it, I'm hooked. The smooth rolling wheels make it a breeze to navigate through crowded airports or offices, and the sturdy handle feels solid in my hand, giving me confidence that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The bag itself is made of a durable, water-resistant material that's easy to wipe clean, and the multiple compartments keep my laptop, tablet, and other essentials organized and within reach. But what really sets it apart is its popularity. Thousands of customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why. It's just that good. I've used it to carry my laptop, notebooks, and even my lunch to work, and it's been a lifesaver. The bag is so spacious that I can fit everything I need for a day at the office, and the rolling wheels make it easy to get around without straining my back. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, this bag is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and stylish way to carry their gear. So why settle for a boring, uncomfortable bag when you can have a high-quality, rolling laptop bag that's designed specifically for women? It's a no-brainer. Give the LOVEVOOK rolling laptop bag for women a try, you won't regret it. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.